Some of the most world-changing discoveries didn't come from careful planning. They came from pure accident, from a failed experiment that changed materials forever to a cosmic signal that rewrote the origin of the universe. These are 5 discoveries that weren't supposed to happen, but changed everything. Welcome back to the Fact Detour. Scientific discovery number 1. LSD and the accidental window into the mind. In 1938, a chemist named Albert Hofmann was researching medicinal compounds, specifically derivatives of ergot, a fungus known to affect the nervous system. One of the compounds he synthesized didn't seem especially useful, so it was set aside. 5 years later, Hofmann revisited it, almost as an afterthought. During the process, he accidentally absorbed the trace amount through his skin. What followed wasn't subtle. His perception shifted, time was distorted, and his sensory input became unusually vivid. Hofmann realized this wasn't just a chemical reaction, it was a direct window into how the brain constructs reality. Until that moment, much of neuroscience focused on structure, neurons, regions, and electrical signals. LSD forced scientists to confront experience itself and begin to explore how perception is assembled, how meaning is formed, and how consciousness can change without physical injury. For decades, research into this compound helped shape our understanding of neurotransmitters, especially serotonin, and how tiny molecular changes can radically alter thought and emotion. Today, research into perception, consciousness, and mental health has re-emerged, this time with far stricter controls and new tools. Artificial intelligence now plays a key role. Scientific discovery number 2. Cosmic microwave background radiation. In the 1960s, 2 scientists struggled to eliminate persistent noise from an antenna. No matter what they tried, the signal remained. Eventually, they realized the noise wasn't interference. It was radiation left over from the birth of the universe itself. This discovery helped confirm the Big Bang theory and has reshaped cosmology forever. Today, AI analyzes cosmic background radiation to search for subtle anomalies, clues that could reveal entirely new physics beyond our current understanding. Scientific discovery number 3. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence itself is one of the most important accidental discoveries of the modern era. Not because it was unplanned, but because many of its most surprising abilities were. Early AI systems were designed to follow rules, but as models grew larger and more complex, something unexpected happened. Without being programmed to do so, AI systems began forming internal representations. They developed strategies and concepts. These behaviors are called emergent. They arise not because someone coded them, but because complexity crossed a threshold. Researchers expected better performance. What they didn't expect was qualitatively new behavior. AI is solving problems in ways humans wouldn't, and sometimes couldn't explain. Scientists now design AI systems specifically to observe unexpected capabilities. In medicine, AI discovers molecular interactions humans overlook. In physics, it identifies patterns hidden in vast datasets. In neuroscience, AI offers new models for how learning itself may work. Scientific discovery number 4. Velcro. Velcro was inspired by a simple walk outdoors. An engineer noticed burrs clinging stubbornly to his dog's fur. Under a microscope, he saw tiny hooks, perfectly designed by nature. That observation led to Velcro, a fastening system now used everywhere from clothing to spacecraft. Today, bio-inspired design is a major scientific field. AI systems study natural structures, spider silk, plant surfaces, animal movement, to engineer new materials and mechanisms humans would never think to invent. Scientific discovery number 5. Graphene. In 2004, 2 scientists used ordinary tape to peel layers from graphite, simply to see what would happen. Eventually, they isolated graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms, 1 atom thick. Graphene turned out to be stronger than steel, incredibly conductive, and nearly transparent. It's now used in research on next-generation batteries, flexible electronics, sensors, and medical devices. AI models now help simulate and design new 2D materials inspired by graphene, accelerating discoveries that once took years into weeks. Artificial intelligence reminds us of something ancient. That discovery isn't always about control. Sometimes it's about creating the right conditions and paying attention to what emerges. Many of the discoveries we talked about today weren't planned. They started with a moment of curiosity, a result that didn't make sense, and someone willing to look closer. That's where progress often begins. If you enjoy these quick detours into science and discovery, consider subscribing. This is the Fact Detour, where curiosity gets a break from the noise.
Thanks for watching.